After line and stack chart, we are going to see ribbon chart. Let us start creating a ribbon chart. Click on ribbon chart, and if you see the layout, you can see some wave like structure is being shown over here. So let me first create ribbon chart and then I will explain what it is. You can see here x-axis, y-axis and legend. So we are going to put our data into these three places. In x-axis, we need to put date. So I am putting order date over here. Then in the y-axis, I will put sales. And you can see that some wave-like structure with the sales is being displayed over here. Now in the legend, I am going to put one more field, and that field is any place where more than 3 or 4 different unique values are there that I want to put. So segment we have got 3, SIP mode also we have got 3. Let me take region. Region has got 4 different regions, right? So I'm going to put region in the legend. Any field you can put. Now let it get generated, and here is my ribbon chart ready. When you see, you may get confused that what it is talking about, but it's very easy to understand. See these colors. So for region, these 4 different colors are being displayed. Central is coming as blue, deep blue color is east, then orange color is south, and purple is west. Whatever is coming on the top, that is the best, or rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 and rank 4. So if you see in 2014, the purple color, that is west region, has given us maximum sales. But then what happened? In the 2015, west has become number 2 and east has become number 1 in the sales. And again later on, west become number 1 and it is again number 1. So the rank of 4 regions we can see here, and how for every year the rank is changing, that very easily we will be able to understand with the help of this ribbon chart. You can see that south was number 3 and then it remained number 4 for all the remaining years. Central, that is blue color, it was last, but then it remained number 3, whereas this east color, which was number 2, has become number 1 and then again it has become number 2. So ribbon chart will help you to analyze the data, and it tells you that how the performance across time is changing. So this is a very interesting chart, and you can experiment with it by putting different fields and see that how you are able to get more story about the data. So this is the ribbon chart.